This is part 2 of how to build an aqueduct out of cardboard. So, if you watched the last part, you know that we had one of the bridges done and we talked about the footrests and just the basic measurements of it. So, in this video, I'm gonna tell you what I just finished doing. So, where we left off, after we left off from last video, I finished cutting the one arc. I finished cutting these out, and then I also cut these little slits down at the bottom to hold my little footrests. So the measurements for the footrests, I told you in the last video, it was half an inch tall, an inch across, and half an inch on the diagonal. So I made 7 more of them. So we had 8 total, and as you can see here, I made all the footrests. And so right now I'm working on the top part of the thing that's gonna actually carry the water across it. So this is it right here. It's 11 inches across because the bridge is 11 inches long, and it's gonna be 2 inches thick, or 2 inches wide. And so we're gonna put this in the middle here down below, so we have like an actual bridge. And I've already marked out where it's gonna sit. So as you can see, it gently increases this way. So we have that gravity to move the water down. And then in the next part, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a cup, a tube. So the cup is going to be a water source, like that would be in the mountains or something, a lake. So that would be up here. Then we're going to get a tube to carry the water down to the aqueduct, which would be like the Romans digging tunnels or digging little holes to carry the water from that pond into the aqueduct. And then, so it's going to travel along the aqueduct, and then it's going to have a deposit point, which would be like a bowl or something. And then we'll be finished. Oh wait, no, sorry, I forgot to mention that we will be adding our supports on the inside in the next part as well. So that will be happening all in the next part, and you will also see our testing for the next part. So I'll see you then.